This Chinese lemon fish has a wonderfully crispy texture and an addicting sweet and sour lemon sauce. It is a party food winner and a family favorite. First, we'll need 500 grams of basa fish fillets that are cut in bite size. You can also use other kinds of white fish. Then, adding 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, 绍兴 wine, half teaspoon of black pepper, and half teaspoon of salt. Mix well and refrigerate to marinate for 15 minutes. Next, we are gonna prepare the lemon sauce. In a bowl, you will need 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 4 tablespoons of sugar. Mix well and set it aside. Next, we will need to prepare some lemon mixture. First, we'll need some lemon zest from about half of a lemon. Then we will need 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Set this aside. Now we are gonna prepare the starch water. In a small bowl, adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix well and set it aside. Next, in a small saucepan, adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and 1 finely chopped garlic. Set the heat on medium. Cook for about 15 seconds until fragrant. Then adding the sugar mixture. Cook for about 3 minutes until the sugar is dissolved. Now adding the lemon mixture. Let it simmer and stir for about half a minute. Then adding the starch water. Cook for another 30 seconds or more until the sauce has thickened up. You can cook a bit longer or less depending on how thick you want your sauce to be. Remove from heat and transfer to a bowl to cool down. The lemon sauce will also thicken up while cooling down. Next, we're gonna prepare the beer batter. In a large mixing bowl, adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of fine salt, 1/3 cup of cornstarch, and 330 milliliters of cold beer. Combine everything well until you get a smooth texture. On a plate, adding ½ cup or more of cornstarch, spread it out a little bit and set it aside. In a wok, adding enough vegetable oil for the fish to float. Set the heat on medium-high. We are going to fry the fish in batches. Coat a few fish fillets with cornstarch and shake off any extra starch. Check the temperature of the oil. Dip each fish fillet into the batter one at a time and gently add into the hot oil. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until the fish fillets are nicely golden and cooked through. Then drain the fish on paper towel or on a wire rack. Now sprinkle with some sea salt. Transfer to a serving plate and drizzle some lemon sauce on top. Garnish with some sesame seeds and some chopped green onions. You can enjoy this crispy lemon fish as a snack, side dish, and a main course. You can also be creative with the homemade lemon sauce. I also like to just dip the fish into the lemon sauce and enjoy. This Chinese crispy lemon fish tastes crunchy, light, and flavorful at the same time. This is definitely a family favorite and a party food winner. I hope you can give it a try. If you like my channel, remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye!